exclusive Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 design revealed. You know, I got a question comment yesterday. People said, hey, Z Fold 3, give us an update. Is your thing smashed yet? What's going on here? Do you have any creasing or anything durability-wise? I thought, oh, that's, you know, it's kind of interesting because I don't think I've been all that gentle to mine. Now, it's not like I'm out on the job site or anything, but I don't feel like I feel like I've been especially not gentle to this one. And it's held up. You know, it may have even hit the ground a couple times. Now, I don't want to suggest that that is going to be your situation as well. I would never suggest such things because obviously each circumstance is very different. But mine is hanging in there. And I presume it's going to continue to hang in there until the new Z Fold 4, sorry. Anyway, we have some new renders here of what that next gen might look like. And is it a little more inspired by the current gen
Ultra?
Is that the phone you've got right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the camera unit looks very comparable, but it might be completely embedded by the looks of it, yeah.
Oh, does it look embedded?
Well, to the extent that yours is, because on the Ultra, it used to pop out quite a bit.
Right. No, this pops out quite a bit.
No, but
not
in the past,
much.
it was a
little plate.
It was a honking thing, it was, so... Yeah, this looks pretty good. I might do something with that.
It's slim. It looks like the front screen's a bit bigger.
Is that right, Mo?
Maybe, I don't know. Can we see other pictures?
It looks a little boxier on the edges as well. Tim in the chat says, can you ask Will to create an LL Discord or something so the community has a place to be a community?
I have been thinking about that. And I'll join. And we'll have mods and stuff.
Wow. Things are happening.
So, yeah, it's going to happen.
Shout out, Tim.
I think.
You just said it on here. So you have to do it now.
Yeah.
You're locked and loaded now.
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay. Yeah, you have to do it now. The people,
so
the community needs a place to be the community. You see how that goes, Mo?
Okay.
Yeah.
So it looks a little bit boxier around the edges. I don't mind that. That might be good. It looks like a sort of matte brushed finish around the edges as well. And maybe the hinge is closing a bit tighter. Hard to tell. But you have a kind of a little bit of an angle to it still on the third model. Yeah, you definitely do.
Yeah.
You kind of see through it if you squint your eyes a little bit. Of course, the Oppo device, what did they call it?
Find N.
Find N, yeah. They managed to get rid of that little gap altogether.
Quite amazing.
Quite amazing.
Oh, here's the screen. Is that bigger?
It might be bigger. Yeah. Oh, the dimensions are below if he scrolls down. So we'll find out. Yeah, these exclusive Galaxy Z Fold 4 images reveal how the design has evolved from the Z Fold 3 of 2021. On the front, it'll have a 6.2-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch display on the inside. It'll have a high refresh OLED panel that will challenge Samsung's current flagship, S22 Ultra. And we likely also get to see an improved version of the under-display camera when it is unfolded. I almost never use that camera, but if you have to, it's not the best. So I guess improvements would be welcome.
Yeah.
In this department.
Wow.
Oh, I'll line up for that. I mean, not physically, but like metaphorically. I get excited about the folding things.
You do, yes.